Ilang month na kitang pinag-iisip kung ano ba talaga yung gift ko sa'yo. Ang dami ko ng clue, pero hindi mo pa rin nawalaan at hindi ko pa rin sasabihin dito sa letter na to. Kung ano yun, pero sure ako magugustuhan mo. Yung double block, di ba? Buksan mo na lang yung gift ko na naka-trash bag. Kasi syempre, more than trash ang laman niyan. Cash payment yan at hindi installment, kaya wala nang isipin bayarin. Hanggang kahapon tinatanong mo ako kung anong to, pero ito ng ano to? Takdang panahon para malaman mo. Ingat sa paggamit. Paggamit.
Show me worlds I never knew. You turn my darkness into blue. Now I'm free.
May nakita ako.
Susi? Susi ng kotse. Uy, gago.
Bago susi ng
Sorry,
sakyan.
Alam. Saan?
Yan. Honda?
Honda, miss.
You still show my heart aglow. I cannot look away. You're beautiful.
Magkakilala kami ni Grace sa office. Client namin sila, tapos ako yung IT support nila. So, gumagawa ako ng way para syempre mapansin din niya. So, tinatanggalan ko yung pwesto niya ng internet minsan para matawag lang niya.
Mabait siya, kaya nagkagusto na rin ako sa kanya. Pero siya talaga yung may crush sa akin, obvious naman. Ayun.
No, I could sing 1,000 love songs.
Ano kaya to?
Charger.
Kanyari hindi ko alam.
To you.
Thank you, boo. Yay, may iPhone na ako.
No, I could write 1,000 stories of all the times I felt
Pat,
you.
That's fun.
open niyo na.
No, I would brave the fiercest storm to find my way back to you. No, I would cross the darkest
Gift, thank you, gift namin.
for you. No, I could sing 1,000 love songs. But none would measure up to you.
Boo, ready ka na ba? Ready ka na bang masakal? Ay, makasal. So, ito na yung matagal nating pinaghahandaan. Actually, pinaghahandaan mo na excited ka na kasi maging asawa ko kahit first day pa lang natin nun. Pero, inabot tayo ng 5 years kasi inuna natin bumili ng bahay. Pero, at least, ito na. So, see you later. Love you.
Here we are under the moonlight,
sa kasulatan na sa pagsimulay na lang sila na may kapa, lalaki at babae ay sinabi, dahil dito
sorry for
iiwan na
whatever I've
lalaki at
caused
inyong
before today,
ina
and you
at
felt
magkasama
lost.
sila ang
Now
kanyang
you're
asawa,
my
at
lady.
sila'y nag-iisa, kaya hindi na
So
sila
take
dalawa,
my hand.
pero iisa, at pinagsama na Diyos ay huwag pakiwalayin ng tao.
Hi, Bo. Antayin kita mamaya sa simbahan. Antayin ko yung suot mong magandang damit na hindi mo pa napapakita sa akin. So, antayin kitang maglalakad doon. Ayan. See you mamaya. I love you.
You're my love, my life, my beginning. And I'm just so stumped I got you. Girl, you are the piece I've been missing.
Today, on our 5th anniversary, I stand here ready to finally upgrade our status from in a relationship to married. What started as a bet has now become the love of my life.
You're my love, my life, my beginning.
5 years ago, you came into my life and changed it forever. Today, on our anniversary, I stand here ready to promise you a lifetime of love. You've shown me what true dedication looks like. Your hard work, your hands-on, and your unwavering support inspire me every day.
Choosing you daily. So take my hand now.
Ito para kay tatay. Open nyo na lang.
Thank you.
Kay nanay. Buksan nyo so much. Open ba?
Salamat na.
Sige.
I promise I'll treasure you, girl.
Thank you so much na.
You're all that I've needed. Complete in my world. You're my love, my life, my beginning.
I promise to stay by your side through wins, losses, overtimes, and every challenge life throw at us. I will choose you even things get hard, messy, or when you forget our plans because of your basketball skills.
All the time I've been no, show me the way. Let me hear, let me hold.
I promise to keep our relationship full of fun, laughter, and my never-ending kakengkwit. And I will be your forever prankster wife.
I will never give up on you, girl. Treat you right every night. Make my move just for you. Wanna do.
I vow to honor the love by being your partner in everything, to cherish you in every season, and to walk beside you through every challenge. From this day forward, I promise to love you deeply, respect you always, and never take for granted the gift of you. I love you.
Girl, you are the piece I've been missing. Remember it now. All the times I've been no, show me the way. Let me hear.
Today, I marry you, my boo, my teammate, my player for life, and I promise no quitting, no substitution, no timeouts. Just us forever. I love you.
You.